Hello and welcome to part 40 of this video series. In this video, we will continue our discussion on delegates and we will see how we can implement callbacks using delegate. First, let's try to understand what is a callback. A callback is a term that refers to a coding design pattern. In this design pattern, executable code is passed as an argument to other code and it is expected to call back at some time. Let's understand this with a real life example. Let's say you are downloading something from internet. The download operation will take some time. And what you want to do once the download is completed, you want to notify your user saying the download is now completed, or maybe you want to perform some other operation. Maybe you want to open the folder location where the file was downloaded. In these kind of scenarios, we can use callbacks. In callbacks, we can pass some piece of code and that will be executed once some event is triggered. In our case, it will be file download completed event. For this demo, let's create a class. I'm calling it callback demo. This will have a static method. I will name it start new download. So what this method will do, this will emulate a download scenario. First we will give the message download started and then we will wait for 3 seconds to simulate some wait time, because when we download some file from internet, it will usually take some time to complete. But now let's say we have a method. So I have added this method that is download completed. So what we want to do, once the download is completed, we want to invoke this particular method to notify the user at this time download was completed. For this, what we can do, we can use delegates. So let's create a delegate. I will name it download completed callback. And this will take a string type parameter. Okay, I have matched the signature of my download complete method with my delegate so that I can pass down this method in my delegate. Now let's initialize our delegate. So what I have done here, I have initialized my delegate with the download completed method. Now what I can do, I can pass down my delegate callback as a parameter to start new download method. First, let's create a parameter here. Now let's invoke the method start new download. Pass down the delegate here. Now once the wait is completed, meaning once the download is completed, we can simply invoke the delegate which we have received as part of this method. And in this, I can provide the message, I have completed the download. So what will happen? We will invoke start new download method. The execution will go to line number 27 and we will start executing from here. And once the download is completed, we will invoke this particular delegate. And because this delegate is referring to this particular method, so this method will be invoked and we will print the time and the result which we received from callback demo class. Let's run this program and check if the code is working as expected. If you notice here, we have received the message download started, and after 3 seconds, we have received this message, date, time, and the message, I have completed the download. So guys, this is how you can implement callbacks using delegates. We can pass down the delegate to the method that is doing some long processing, and once that process is completed or that event is triggered, we can invoke the delegate to execute the callback method, which we have done here. In our case, the callback method was download completed. So we have successfully executed download completed method once the download was completed. That's it for this video guys. In the next video, we will learn about multicast delegates in C#.